Today going to cover few stock for the super long-term trade, either big risk or big opportunity. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. First thing we look at is FPE monthly chart. I'm not going into the daily chart, so I want to give you the big picture of what is going on and either monthly or weekly. Okay, so the first thing we look at monthly chart. You can see each time they show the blue channel, the blue line go upward. This is the start of the real bull market. This is monthly chart. When they have the whole bull market, this is super long. I'm talking about from here, for example, from here all the way until they drop, they change the direction. This is 149 months. Okay, so it's very long. So this is 2011 January. And this one, we are talking about 2023. So you see, if you're a super long-term trader, you use monthly chart to look where to buy. You don't look for the few dollar difference. Don't tell me, oh, I missed the bottom. Oh, I missed the top. No, you use the super long-term trader mindset. So I want to show you monthly chart, the power. Okay. Now we don't have an up signal, but I want you to get ready, put this stock in the watch list because they have a lot of YM chip entry, number one. Number two, they already go above the blue. We just need the blue change the direction, although we don't have the up yet. Okay, but we are actually, we are in the bottom zone right now. Okay, when they go up the blue, for example, the last market cycle here, when they go up the blue, they come back down for the support and they go up. So right now we did the first step. They have institution come in, money going well, big volume trade. You see? So this is a very good signal for FPE for monthly chart. Now we look into weekly chart. You see the curve is changing now. The curve. And you see the money here. The institution holding from here to here is going down, right? But the money here, they're not really going down and they're slowly increasing. You see, they're buying here, slowly increasing until here. They start to go up the holding. For weekly chart, already kick out the public. I'm not saying they don't have public. Of course, there is public, but institution holding is already holding a lot of stock very stably. You see this curve, right? The stock is not so stable, but the holding percentage is very stable going up. Okay, so PFE is the first stock I analyzed. So anything, this could be quite interesting for you to look at. I'm not saying to buy, to sell, okay? This video is only for education purpose. Another thing I want you to check, let's say you don't have my indicator, look for the volume because each time when they go down, they hit the bottom, they have a big volume. This one also big volume compared to average. You see here. So this can tell us a signal that hey, it's a time the bottom zone. But it doesn't mean every single time is the same. So you need to be careful. For example, here is not really the case. You don't notice the change, right? Here a little bit, not obvious like this. Okay. So I have to give you a lot about how to do monthly chart, how to trade. So well, the best is they show the up signal also. So the best, so now they go up, possible they come down, and then when the blue go upward, this is very stable to go up. You see here, the institution holding, they all the way go up. Okay, so this is FPE. The next one I go to is Tesla. Tesla is one of our favorite stock, but recently Tesla is a bit slow. But monthly chart, we look at the blue line and red line first. And I will tell you why it is so weak recently. Blue line go up. It mean we are in the up curve. Okay. Number two. Number two is the red. The red is still okay. It's flat, but still okay, right? So we are still in the upward trend. We have an up signal here to tell you, hey, this is the start of the up. Why it is so slow recently? Because of the divergence of the money here. YM big buy, the big volume trade is going down. That's why this one is not pushing up. When they have a divergence, okay? Now not yet. If they drop below zero, if they continue, the money is going out. You see, the institution is leaving, then they will have a big correction. But this moment, we don't have this signal yet. We don't have it. We don't have it. But we do have big volume. It's not strongly buying. Correct. It's not strongly buying for monthly chart. So for the super long term, we are still in the beginning of the bull. Okay, you see the curve here. We're still going upward. So this is monthly chart. If we look at daily chart, sorry, not going to the daily, the weekly chart. The same thing happened, right? The blue going upward, but lately we have some correction here. The red is going downward. And you see the money come in is less and less. So that's why the momentum is getting less. Okay. So this is Tesla. We need some time to wait for it to get ready to fly. The next one is Uber. Uber, I want you to look at, no, I want you to look at, I would like to share with you the monthly chart. Look at this signal. This is so easy to look at if you have my indicator. It's not necessary to it's okay you do your own indicator or a technical analysis, but I want you to save time. How to look at the chart and tell, hey, this is not the stock for you to buy. Look at monthly chart. We have a down signal. The red is going downward. So if you still ask me, should I buy Uber? I would say no. By the way, this is not a recommendation, but I just tell you, this is only education. This is a strong signal to tell you, hey, we are in the downtrend for the big market cycle. The last time they happened, they go down from 50, like here, right? From 52 all the way down to 19. Okay, so a bit head up. I want to give you a bit signal. Here, the same thing. We just analyze the history first. Money going down, the big volume trade reducing. Like it's not buying, they are selling. Here, the price still going upward, but the big volume trader, they are reducing. Monthly chart, who is the all institution or fund house or pension house? Okay, now here, look at the money. Are they buying or are they selling? And look at the peak, is lower. I mean, even they buy much less than before, but the price still going up. So who is the real person buying? Individual or institution? It's an individual. Okay? Always. So then they have a down signal. The red going downward. So if you ask me, hey, should I buy more Uber now? If I look at this and if you're not day trader, you are not swing trader, for monthly chart, if you're a long-term trader, you should consider Uber. This is just insights from the chart. We don't recommend you any trade again, okay? So the next one I go to is Visa. Visa is a credit card company, very stable, going up. But recently, we have a down signal here. And you look at the money, okay? Look at the money, okay? Down signal here. Never happened in the history. So something you need to be a bit careful for this. Of course, you can tell me, oh, right now we are on we are in the middle of the month. We need not yet close the candle. Correct? Very good. But unless they have a big raise, otherwise this signal is still here. Okay? So something you need to be careful. This red candle, doesn't happen from today. It's a monthly candle. So basically from here, right? March 2025. And now it's March 2026. The entire year they reducing money. Okay? So the next one I go into is Costco. Costco we did mention for our last bonus game. And I asked people, hey, guess who is the do we have an up signal? Do we have buy signal for monthly and weekly? And one person, very, very good insight. He or she suggests Costco. So now we look at Costco. the first thing, the blue line. Okay, the first thing. Let's say where is the best entry point here? If you use blue line, is here, right? We have up and here. They touch the blue, they go above. This is the best entry point. Do we have a downward blue yet? Not yet. So the market still go upward. Another thing, this one, the fast line. The fast line is turning downward previously because we have a big volume go down. Like the big volume trader, they are selling, they leave it. And then now what is going on here? Look at the direction of the red line here. What is the direction right now? Is going upward. Okay, so they just turning upward. Although I can tell you again, this candle not yet closed. They can, if there's a big drop, they can still change the direction of the red line. So you can have a closer look later on. Okay, so another thing, another stock is Microsoft. Up or down? You guess. The Microsoft monthly chart, we have a down signal. Something you need to be careful. Okay? It's quite a big drop here for money. Yeah, the blue is still going upward. The red already going downward, and we have a down signal. So if you ask me, hey, should I buy, if you're a long-term investor, should I buy Microsoft right now? The answer is, you tell me the answer. I don't want to tell you the answer now. So another thing I would like to say is when we are in the downward trend, right? Some people say, well, you're talking about downward trend, but I'm not a downward trend trader or investor. I'm a shorter time frame, fine. But you need to really follow the trend, okay? Let me explain you something. If in the downward trend, right, they go down like this. You want to buy here, you want to sell here, you catch this profit, it's totally fine. If you can really sell here, this is totally fine. Buy here, sell here, right? But if you're in the upward trend, sorry, so ugly. If you're in the upward trend, we go upward like this. This wave is usually easier for you to catch. Even you miss to sell here, you are still in the big bull one. Okay, so this is like, for example, this is the upward trend for Microsoft, right? Any stock is the same. When we're in the upward trend, you buy it, even you did not sell it for the pullback or correction, as long as still upward trend, who cares? You just hold it. And the wave, the upward wave is much longer. Okay? When it confirms it's an upward trend. Another thing, look at the downward trend. You see the upward is very little. There's very limited room for you to invest, to make profit here. So if you really want to make profit, always when we do investment, it's about statistic and how much percentage, how much chance you can win the game. This is the way how institutions do investment. If we have a big winning rate, go ahead. If not, don't do it. Even you can make a lot, don't do it. But 1% winning rate, but you can make, let's say, 1,000 times, don't do it because you can lose everything. Okay? So if you do this, if you're sure this is going upward, just buy, hold it until they go downward. Then you sell it or let the profit run until the blue going downward or until there's a down market, the down signal here. Okay, so this is the update today, and I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Bye.